Hey, I'm State Senator Jay Collins, represent a bunch of Hillsborough County here. You know, I'm so impressed. We have people from 22 states here today helping us restore power. It's absolutely amazing. As you watch the people walking through here, they're so focused on getting the job done, taking care of our community, and it's a blessing to see my friend Danny Alvarez here, Mayor Jane Castor's here, Archie Collins, the CEO of TECO. What we want people to know is your state, your county, and your city, we are working together along with TECO to go ahead and get that power turned on and get life back to normal with the incredible people from all over the country serving the great state of Florida.
I'm Representative Danny Alvarez, and I want to echo what Senator Collins said, but if you're a lineman and you came here to our state, I'm talking directly to you. I want you to understand that we appreciate your sacrifice of leaving your family, being home away from your home for a super long time, and helping our community come back to what our normal is. We couldn't do it without you, and we want you to know that you mean the world to us, your families mean the world to us, and we want to thank you for your gargantuan effort in helping us come back to normal. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts, and we appreciate you very much.
Absolutely, Danny. Couldn't do it without them. Thank you, guys.